many dreams, yeah, in my life.
I think I found the one.
So many dreams.
We reached the first property. I'm so excited. I really like this. It looks so good on the internet, and yeah, I hope it is in my budget. First of all, and the rooms are available. Now I'm going to give you guys the apartment tour. The first apartment was pretty decent. One thing that I really liked about this place was the attached balcony, and it also had a common play area where there was pool and there was also gym.
Cause you don't be
Okay guys, let's move on to the second property. Oh my god, you guys, the second property, I literally loved it so much. The terrace itself, it was so freaking aesthetic that I literally almost stumbled. Yeah, I just stumbled. And the seating area was so freaking good. And so was the room, it was very spacious and somewhere like, yes, I can stay.
my biggest dreams to see.
And then we moved to the next property, and that was such a disappointment. I did not like even a single thing, to be honest, about this property. And one thing about me is my brain literally stops functioning when I'm hungry. So we just went to Domino's. Ma'am, one cheese volcano farmhouse. 7 up. You guys now have come to eat. I am literally so tired, okay? Like we went for like 6, yeah, we saw 6 apartments, and literally we liked few of them, but they're so expensive. So yeah, it's of no use, and now we're super tired.
Your love and everything.
Guys, I just finished my lunch and now my energy is back, so we're going to continue apartment hunting. So here's to hope that yes, by the end of the day today I will find the one. We just discovered a problem, I'm that person, I cannot walk in a straight lane. So every single time I'm walking, I deviate with like to the other person's direction. Yeah, and while doing that, I was about to, like my friend was about to fall in my, what was it, gutter or something. So yeah, you guys, I have the entire bus to myself. Let me show you. सच बताऊँ तो the moment I saw this apartment on the internet, I knew this was the one. But I was like, क्या इतना अच्छा apartment में मैं कभी रह पाऊँगी? I could not stop thinking about this place. When I used to sleep, मेरे आंखों के सामने पहले यही place आती थी. And guys, I kid you not, 1 year ago, if somebody would have told me that, you know what, Afifa, you're going to be staying here next year at this time, I would have been like, shut up, bro. Of like, no way that's going to happen. But you know what? Dhulne se na, you will find everything. So this is my study table and this beautiful, I don't know what this is called, and I have a view, and look at my beautiful bed, and the most important, a full-fledged mirror. You guys, I'm so happy. I think I found the one. It's so beautiful.
You will be my pleasure, but no one is like you. I wish to see you.
So now I am leaving actually, but yeah, see you soon, buddy. See you soon. You're gonna be mine, inshallah. Until then, bye. Guys, I just checked it. I'm so excited to move in here. Like literally, I'm floating. I'm on cloud 9. Alhamdulillah. Finally, by the end of the day, at least I have an apartment. So you guys, I want to share one thing that I realized very recently. So you know how all of us are working hard every single day to achieve our dream life. Like I'm pretty sure all of us have in our minds that yes, if I have that, then bro, I am living my it life, my dream life. I'm going to be so happy if I have that. So I just realized, imagine that you are going to die tomorrow. Like I have a certain dream life. Like if I achieve that, then yes, for me, I'm going to be the happiest on top of the world. But before I achieve that, what if I die tomorrow? Okay, and I am going to be dying in a state, in a condition where I am not happy with what I have in the present. Like, yeah, definitely, I'm happy, like a decent amount of happy, not happy that yes, I am living my dream life, I achieved my dream life. And you know what I realized? That I don't want to die in that state. No, I want to die in the state that yes, I am so happy, I'm so satisfied of how long I've come and everything that I have achieved. So I believe that in life it is important that yes, we are striving every single day to live that dream, but at the same time I feel it is important to believe that whatever we have going on in the present, it is a dream life, instead of always being in a state that only if I look that way, only if I lived there, only if I had that car. Nah, we are why am I talking like this? I don't know, okay, but yeah. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so whatever present you guys are in, just be grateful for it and just be with the mindset that yes, Alhamdulillah, this is my dream. Actually, I am living my dream. Oh my god, I'm living my dream kind of attitude, and at the same time work on your goals. And that's the message I wanted to share with you guys. You guys, and with that, the apartment hunting comes to an end, and I found the apartment that is my vibe. And yeah, so tell me, which apartment did you guys like, and do share in the comment section what does your dream home look like. And I'm literally so tired, so we just came to this place to have milkshakes, and then yeah, after this I'll be heading home. And that's it for today's video, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, a lot of effort went into making this video, so do share in the comment section if you liked my video. And till next time.
Yeah. So